episode, we are teaching Benedicta here how to make custard. She's in 100 level, she cannot make custard.
Or anything at all.
Or anything at all, except, what do you say? Fries and noodles. She's going to be blindfolded when we teach her. The harder the better, right? So she'll be blindfolded. I will be muted. Lumen right here will have headset on her. She'll have headphones on and she'll have loud music playing, so she'll be able to hear whatever we're saying. This is the custard. Do you know this brand here? But I cannot spoil their brand. Like
basically, check out custard with a different name.
Exactly. Right. So this is our custard. This is sugar. Yes, there's tangled sugar inside this thing. Tangled sugar.
I can't see.
You put water.
Are you sure you can't see this video? I can't see shit. Like,
I don't know what I'll do. Are we not starting? Yes. Sorry.
Okay, so am I supposed to be? Where's the kettle? See the kettle. Oh yeah. You can ask water.
Pour everything.
Where's the custard?
Please, don't let it how well. 3 to 4 spoons. That same way, that guy, the mother, your condiment. So stretch your hand in that direction. Left, right, forward. Now open the bottle. You're going to pour water little by little. When I pour. When I say stop, you stop. Pour. Stop. It's okay. Turn it first. Turn everything. Make sure all the thing is not crumpled. Have finished now. Oh yeah. See the handle. Hold my hand. Hold the handle.
Okay.
Now hold the bowl. You know where the bowl is. Use your IQ and measure this thing. Oh yeah. Wow. Like you add more water. Well, it's well now.
Thick.
Add more water. Yeah.
What is this?
I'm not here. I bet we will drink this. You will drink it all.
I don't eat custard.
Well, you eat it sugar. Don't let it pour. Hold the bowl. Calm down. Leave her. Pour sugar. You know that. It's okay. Oh yeah. Careful with the seed to be able to mix, my dear. If you see what you have made, you'll be proud of yourself. Think it's ready now.
So I can take off the knife. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, my mouth. Even though I was speaking the entire time.
They don't catch you.
I'm like,
Oh.
look at, see the table. She put custard like everywhere. Even sugar self. You won't drink them. Really?
I even tried now.
Do not try this at home, kids.
For my first time.
Going
I tried.
Anyway, I would like drink custard. Now this one no concern.
You want to drink it?
Yes, well.
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
It's not bad now. It looks okay in my defense. This don't do.
Because it is. That's why it's coming like that.
So what do we do?
I eat powder.
Sorry.
Perfect.
I'm not doing it.
Enjoy.
It's perfect, innit?
Enjoy.
You guys, this has come to the end of our so-called
So I just put
video. She tried. Now from there when they shop by.
Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye guys.